One of the most visible features of our land today is the number of church buildings that dot our towns and villages.
This morning, when a group of people came seeking donations for yet another church building, I could not help but pause and reflect.
Young. My dear friends, without ill will I say to you, whether what we need is more brick and mortar, or
Perhaps the greater need is for families to improve their homes, to ensure dignity with proper washrooms.
In a 100-meter stretch, 4 church buildings stand, yet members of these congregations often pass without even a word.
meanwhile, our youth languish in drug rehabilitation centers. How many wealthy churches extend their hands to them?
The essence is not in bricks and mortars, but in living faith, love, and compassion.
Churches of stone and cement will fade, but the temple of God within us endures.